Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We haven't forgotten those wonderful places and times sharing great stuff with great friends. We've got some of those old neighborhood recipes, and we're here to share them with you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Recipes Show.
Okay.
I identify the voice just because she is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I super minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, I adore you.
Alright guys, let's shut her down and get ready for the next episode. Turn TV.
KPBP TV is owned and operated by the DLC Media Group in association with KP Productions. KPBP TV is available streaming on YouTube at channel KPBP TV. Subscription to the channel assures you access to the latest productions. Please direct questions and comments to kpbptv at gmail.com. KPBP TV is an equal opportunity employer. KPBP TV is proud to present quality programming, old neighborhood cooking, and its sister production, ONC, The Video Cookbook. Mike's Musical Monday, Morning Qigong, and Midwest Film Fest are made possible by grants from the Stress Management Workshops Company, Cup Sound Studios, and the Epicurean Tracker team of Idui Kugane. Subscription to the KPBP TV YouTube channel assures you access to the latest productions. Please direct questions and comments to kpbptv@gmail.com.